In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Kulik Sense app in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to share your work with others, back up your app, or move it to another environment, exporting your Kulik Sense app is a necessary skill. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. Firstly, navigate your way to the Qlik website. It's important to start here because this is where you'll access your Qlik Cloud environment, which houses all your Qlik Sense applications. Once you're on the Qlik main page, you'll notice a login button. Clicking this will lead you to the next step in the process. Don't worry, it's all very straightforward from here. After clicking the login button, you'll be directed to choose the Qlik Cloud option. This is crucial because your Qlik Sense apps reside in the cloud, and that's where you'll need to go to perform the export. Now, this is where you'll start to interact closely with your Qlik account. Once you've selected the Qlik Cloud option, you're going to be prompted to enter your email. This is a standard security procedure to ensure that only authorized users can access sensitive information like Qlik Sense apps. After you've entered your email, the next step is to input your password. Security is a top priority, so make sure you type in your password correctly to avoid any unnecessary delays. Following the successful entry of your email and password, you simply need to click on the Login button. This action will verify your credentials and grant you access to your Qlik Cloud portal, which is where the magic happens. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the Qlik Cloud homepage. This page is essentially your command center. From here you can navigate to various applications and datasets. But since our focus today is exporting an app, let's proceed to where your apps are listed. Now it's time to select the app you wish to export. Imagine you've put in hours of work into creating the perfect Qlik Sense app, and now you need to move it. You'll see your list of apps. Go ahead and click on the app you're interested in exporting. Each app tile gives you a snapshot of what the app is about, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating your target app. Once you've selected your app, look for the option that says Export with Data. This is a crucial step because exporting with data ensures that all your hard work, the visualizations, the datasets, the insights, all get packed up together. Clicking this option will initiate the export process, and just like that, you're done. The process initiates the packaging of your app into a downloadable file, including all the data you've worked with. It's like bundling up your digital work into a carry-on, ready to be transported wherever you need it to go. Exporting a Qlik Sense app might sound like an intricate task, but, as you can see, it's quite a straightforward process when broken down step by step. From logging into Qlik, navigating the cloud environment, selecting your app, to finally exporting it with data, each step is designed to ensure you have control over your Qlik Sense applications and can share or back them up as needed. Remember, the key to a smooth export process lies in following these steps meticulously. Don't rush through the login steps, ensure you've selected the correct app, and most importantly, confirm you've chosen to export with data so your app remains as impactful and insightful as when you created it. Whether you're transitioning between environments, sharing with colleagues, or simply backing up your project, exporting your Qlik Sense app is a valuable skill that ensures your analytics journey is both portable and persevering. As you continue to work with Qlik Sense, considering organizing your apps and being mindful of data updates will serve you well, as these practices make the export process even more seamless. And there you have it, a simple, stress-free guide to exporting your Qlik Sense app with ease. Keep experimenting, keep analyzing, and most importantly, keep sharing those insights. Until next time, may your data always steer you in the right direction.